Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, welcome you all in our today's class. So, children, in our today's class, that is in Mindspark class, first I'll be discussing with you all workbook chapter 3 numbers. Okay, from page number 20, from question number 16 onwards. I'll be discussing with you all. After that, children, you kindly note it down whatever questions today I'm going to discuss with you all. Okay, as page number 18 and 19, I've given you homework. You have done it very good. Now from page 20, I'll be discussing with you all. After that, children, at sharp 10 o'clock, I will assign you one worksheet from the Mindspark, and the topic is subtraction up to 999. So, dear children, it's my humble request to you all, kindly log in Mindspark 9:45 sharp. Okay, then you do your worksheet at 10 o'clock. After completing your worksheet, kindly submit it. Okay, so children, let's start our today's class. So children, everyone please refer workbook page number 20 and we will start from question number 16. So what is given in the question number 16? Write the expanded forms and number names of the number given below. Right. So in this question, what you have to do? You have to first write down the expanded forms, then the number names of the given numbers. Okay. So number A, what is given? 56,789. Okay, now we have to do the expanded form. As I have already explained it to you, the expanded form, how to do the expanded form. Break down the numbers into their places. Okay, so we will break this number 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. Alright, so this is the expanded form of first number. Now we will write the number names of this number. So number names 56. You have to write down the spelling of this number. 56,000 56,700 789. Right? So these two things you have to do here. Next, number B. What is the number? 93,467. So first you have to do the expanded form. 90,000. 9 in which place? In 10,000 place. So we'll write 90,000 plus 3,000. So here to do the expanded form, we'll use which one concept? Place value concept. Right. So 3,000, 4 in the 100 place. 400 plus 60 plus 7. Done. Now the number name. So whatever is given, you have to write down in a words. Both the numbers. So 93,000, 1,400, 60, 467. Okay. So these two things you have to do in the question number 16. Right. Now come to question number 17. I apply. So what is given? The number of flowers in shop A and shop B is given below. That means number of flowers are given in two shops. Shop A and to shop B. Shop A, how many flowers? 52,163. Shop B, 74,199. Now what is given? What the question is asking? Separate the periods in the numbers and write their number names. That means you have to first separate the periods of this both shop A and shop B. Then you have to write their number names. So periods, writing number in periods, how to do, children, you know? Yes, as I told you, 2 periods are there. Ones period and thousand period. Right, in ones period 3 places. Ones, tens and hundred. In thousand period 2 places. 1,000 and 10,000. And also I have told you that we show the periods by putting commas. Okay, so first we will show the periods. So number A, shop A. First I will write them showing periods 52,000, 163. Why I am putting comma here? Because these 3 are the for places of ones period and these 2 places for thousand period. Alright. So now I will write the number name of this number. 52,000 163. Alright, 63. Done, children? Next, number B, that is shop B. First you write the period. So 74,000, 199. So now I will write the number name. 4,199. Yeah. So question number 19 also finished. Now come to question number 18. What is given in question number 18? Form a number which has. That means you have to form a number. 2 questions are given, A and B. So let's see what is given in question number A. 3 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place, 1 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place, and 8 in the 10,000s place. Now the place value are given. Now you have to form a number. So in a 5-digit numbers, yes, how many places are there? 5 places, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now we will see which number is in 10,000 place. So 8 is in the 10,000 place. Alright. So first, as we start from 10,000, 8 will be there. Next, which number is in the thousands place? 8. So 88. Next, which number in the 100 place? 1 in the hundreds place. So 88,100. Next, which one in the tens place? 3 in the tens place. 88,130. Now we will see the ones place number 5. So what is there? 5. So we will write 5. So what number form? The number is 88,135. Clear, children? Now number B. What is the number given here? 7 in the thousands place, 4 in the tens place, 6 in the ones place, 5 in the hundreds place, and 9 in the 10,000s place. So tell me, children, which one will come first? You have to form a number. So first 9 will come. Why? 9 in the 10,000s place. Yes, we'll see the largest place first. Yes. So 9 will come first. And which number in the 1,000 place? 7 in the thousands place. So 97,000. Now after 1,000 in hundreds place. See here which number is in the hundreds place? 5. 97,500. Next, which number is in the tens place? 4 in the tens place. So 97,540. Now which number is in the ones place? 6 in the ones place. So we will write here 6. So what number form? 97,546. Clear, children? Okay. So next we will do question number 19. So now question number 19. So what is given in the question number 19? Write the given numbers with the digits in the correct places of the place value chart. Okay, so what is given? These certain numbers are given, and that numbers, or we can say digits, we have to write down in the place value chart. That means these number A, B, C, D, these 4 questions are there, and these numbers we have to show them in a place value chart. Okay, so what is number A? 56,412. So see, this is how you have to make a place value chart, right? So here in a 5-digit numbers, as I've already told you, 5 places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is a place value chart of 5-digit numbers. All right. So number 1 A is what? 56,412. So now we will write this digit in their correct places in this place value chart. So 5 in which places? 5 in 10,000 place, right? So 6 in which place? 6 is in 1,000 place. 4 in which place? 4 in 100 place. 1 in which place? 1 in 10's place, and 2 in 1's place. Clear, children? Next, number B. Number B is 24,910. So we will see from the largest places. All right. So 2 in 10,000 place, 4 in which place? 1,000 place, 9 100's place, 1 in 10's place, 0 in 1's place. The place value of 0 is, wherever it will be, it is 0 only. Next, 38,761. So 3 is in the which place? 10,000 place, 8 in the 1,000 place, 7 in the 100's place, 6 in 10's place, and 1 in 1's place. Right? Next, 11,458. So 1 in the 10,000 place, again 1, it is in 1,000 place, 4 is in the 100 place, 4 in the 100's place, 5 in the 10's place, and 8 in the 1's place. So this is how you have to show the digits in the correct places of place value chart. Alright, children? Now come to question number 20. So what is given in the question number 20? Calculate the total amount of money if you have. That means you have to calculate the total amount of what? Money. Number A, 20 notes of 100. Rupees 100. 3 notes of rupee 2,000. And 5 notes of rupee 10. So what you have to do? You have to calculate the total amount if you have 20 notes of rupee 100. 20 notes of rupee 100 means you have how many 100 rupee notes? 20. That means what is the total amount you have? If 20 notes of rupee 100, you have to write down the total. Alright, whatever is given here, at last you have to calculate the total amount. These are the denomination given. These are denomination. How many 100 rupee notes? 20. How many 2000 rupee notes? 3. How many 10 rupee notes? 5. Now first you will calculate. After that, at last you will total it. So 20 notes of rupee 100 comes how much? That means how much you have? 20 into rupee 100. It comes rupees 2000. Right? It comes rupees 2000. Next, 3 notes of rupee 2000. 3 notes of rupee 2000. That means you have 3 notes of 2000 rupees. So what is the total amount you have? 3 into 2000. It comes rupees 6000. Rupees 6000 you have. Next, again what you have? 5 notes of rupee 10. So 5 notes of rupee 10. How many 10 rupee notes you have? 5. So 5 notes of rupee 10 means 50. Rupee 50. Now we will calculate the total amount. Right, now we will calculate the total amount. So 20 notes of rupee 100, it comes to 2000. Then 3 notes of 2000, it comes to 6000. 5 notes of rupee 10 comes to 50. Now this total amount we are going to add. So rupee 2000 plus rupee 6000 plus rupee 50. How much? Total is rupees 8050. Right, children? So these are denomination. You have to calculate the total. Right? So I have done only A. My dear children, kindly you do practice. B is your homework. You do it. Clear? So now come to I explore HOTS. So today till question number 22 I'll be discussing with you all. Then I'll give you homework. Right? Question number 21. Write the face values and the place values of the two digits underlined in the number 54,726. Then find the difference and the sum of the place values. Please go through this question. Write the face values and the place values of two digits underlined in the number. In this number, two digits are underlined. What are the two digits? One is 5, one is 7. And these two digits are underlined. First, you have to write the face values and place value of these two underlined digits. Right? After that, you have to find the difference and the sum of the place values. So, look at this number. What is the number? 54,726. Now, which two digits are underlined? 5 and 7. So, first you will write face value. As already I have explained it to you, what is face value? Face value is the number itself. Okay. So, face value of 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Now, what is the face value of 7? Face value of 7 is equal to 7. So, we got the face value of both these digits. Now, we will write the place value. Place value denotes what? Position of a number. Right. So, place value of 5. What is the place value of 5 here? Place value of 5 is 50,000. As how we will read? 54,726. So, the place value of 5 is 50,000. And the place value of 7 is what? 700. Clear? So, we got the face values and place value of both these two underlined digits. Now, what we have to do? After that, again one part is there in this question. Find the difference. Difference is what? The answer of subtraction. Now, find the difference and the sum. Sum means addition of the place values. Whatever place values we got of that two digits, first we have to find out the difference of these two place values. Then we have to find out the sum of that two place values. So, first we will find out the sum. Sum of the place values. That is addition. 50,000 plus 700. Answer is how much? 50,700. Now we will find out the difference. As I have already told you, difference means the answer of subtraction. Now we have to find out the difference of the given place. Whatever we have find out the place values of that two digits, we have to find out the difference. Difference of the place values. 50,000 minus 700. Answer is how much? 49,300. Clear, children? So, this is how you have to do this type of questions. First, you have to find out the face values, then the place values of the underlined digits. After that, find out the difference and the sum of the place values. Clear, children? Alright. Now come to question number 22. Question number 22. Till here, I'll be discussing with you today. Okay. So, question number 22. Write the face values and the place value of the two digits which are underlined in the given numbers. Find the difference between their place values. So, 21 and 22 is same. Okay. Now, what is the number? Number A, 90,275. So which two digits are underlined? 9 and 7. So how we have done 21, with same process we will do in question number 22. Face value of 9 is 9. Place value of 9, you see 90,275. So what is the place value of 9? 90,000. Now next digit is what? Which one is underlined? 7. Face value of 7 is equal to 7. What is the place value of 7? 90,275. Place value of 7 is 70. Alright. Then now what is given? Find the difference between their place values. So place value of 9 is 90,000. Place value of 7 is 70. Now we will find out the difference between 90,000 and 70. So difference 90,000 minus 70. You do the subtraction. How much you will get? 89,930. Clear, children? Now number B. In number B, what is the number? 62,741. So which one is underlined? 2 and 4. First we will write the face value of 2, then the face value of 4, also the place value of 2 and the place value of 4. So face value of 2 is 2. Place value of 2. What is the place value of 2 here? Very good. It is 2000 because 62,741. Place value of 2 is 2000. Now, next which digit is underlined? 4. Face value of 4 equal to 4. What is the place value of 4? 62,741. So, place value of 4 is 40. Clear? That means we got the face value of 2, then place value of 2. Then face value of 4 we got it, and place value of 4 also we got it. Now what we have to do? Now we will find out the difference of the place values. So place value of 2 is 2000 and the place value of 4 is 40. So now we will find out the difference. Difference is 2000 minus 40 equal to 1960. Clear, children? So children, whatever I have discussed with you all from the workbook, question number 16, chapter 3, numbers, kindly do practice. Alright, the topic related to the place value, face value, then your place value chart. Alright, children? So expanded form, number names, do practice. In our next class, we will continue the workbook only. Alright, children? So thank you.